Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your ultimate source for tech tips and tricks. Today I've got something game-changing for you, a step-by-step guide on how to download apps without needing that Apple ID password. Yep, you heard me right. Let's get right to it. Step 1. Open Settings. Start by opening up the settings on your iOS device. Just tap on the familiar gear icon and you're on the right track. Step 2. Tap on Screen Time. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Screen Time. It's a feature that not only helps manage your device usage but also brings some awesome perks like this one. Step 3. Choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This is where you'll set the stage for downloading apps without the password fuss. Step 4. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases under the Allowed Apps sections. This is the real deal, my friends. Step 5. Choose Don't Require. Here's where the magic happens. Choose Don't Require to enable downloads without needing your Apple ID password. And there you have it, tech wizards. No more password prompts when you're downloading apps. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more tech wisdom, and ring that notification bell.